now we will continue with the activity. In the initial part we have done till step number 4. Now we are going to continue with the next part, that is write the script to embed all the costumes you have designed in step number 4. So this is the sprite we have drawn. I will come to the code part. What I will be doing over here, I will be just removing this and I'll be coming to control. The first thing that I'm doing over here is I'm going to take repeat block. Remember, repeat block is there in control. I require to change the looks. So in order to change the looks, I will be just selecting next costume part. Next costume, but we require to give certain weight instructions in order to see whether the costume are changing or not. So I'm incorporating weight and I'll be just giving 2 seconds to the weight instruction and I'm clicking over here. First, second, third, fourth. Yes. Now are you able to see all the 4 operations that are doing? I have incorporated all the costume that I have designed. This is third, this is again fourth. Yes, 1, 2, 3 and this will be 4. Yes. So now coming back to the presentation, add music to the sprite. Now how I'm going to add music to the sprite? Are you able to see an option called the sound over here? Yes, I'm clicking on sound. As soon as I click on sound over here, deleting it. When I click on the sound, at the bottom you will be able to sound and I require to choose the sound. When I choose the sound, there will be various categories: animal, effect, loop, notes, percussion, space, sports, voice and wacky. So I'm selecting any random noises from here and again I go to the code part. Done. So now how to add music. In order to add music, you have to go to sound. Now play sound, a bass, because in sound I have selected a bass. Now see, if I will be selecting one more sound, that particular sound, it gives me selection between both the sounds. Now I'm selecting basketball. I will be selecting some other alphabets also over here now. C, trumpet, coming to the code part. Now you are able to see over here all the things, A bass, basket, trumpet, all these things, whichever you have selected from the sound will be displayed on the sound column. I hope this particular part is very clear to all the students. Computer. See, I'm selecting 5 sounds, so on the sound category I must be able to get 5 options. Dance, sitar and so on. Coming back to the code over here, it was A, B, C, computer, dance, sitar and so on. So whichever sound you are selecting, that particular sound will be available to you. So I have added the sound also. Now again I will be playing it. Now this is repeat, so I will be able to hear the music after certain 10 seconds, or whenever the costume is changing, I will be able to hear the sound. Now coming back to the presentation, create 2 blocks that will run simultaneously. The first block will make the sprite dance and the second block will play the music. So over here, this was the only thing that was for music. I'm just dragging it and I'm deleting it. Now I require to make a separate block. So what I'm doing, I'm coming to events, the first part when clicked, then forever. I will be just selecting forever and I will be going on sound, play sound. Whichever sound you require to play, you can play that particular sound now. When you just see when you run the code, you will be able to hear the background music that will be coming. Now, stopping this. Last, what will happen if you remove the wait block from the... So I am removing this particular wait block and see what will happen then if I am running the code. There won't be any difference. The operations you are able to see are going on in a very fast manner. That means without any delay. So I hope this particular part was very clear to all of you. What will happen when I am removing the wait instruction? Once I remove the wait instruction, I won't be able to get, or the operations that will be done will be very, very fast. Again, I am incorporating wait. I'll be just waiting for 2 seconds. So in this way, we have done this activity, and next we are going to upload the activity on the Google form. How to upload the activity, you are very much aware about that particular part, but still I will show you exactly as how to upload the activity onto the Google form. I hope this particular part is very clear to all of you. No doubt as of yet.